Hi, my name is Shina Pugh, and I teach physical education for K through 5 at Gardner Elementary School in Wichita, Kansas. The school that I work at is a Title I school. One interesting thing about me is that I have 4 chickens, a hedgehog, 2 dogs, and a horse. The fun part about the chickens is that they're in my backyard that I live in town. The horse is at my mom's house. And then I have the 2 dogs and the hedgehog also at my house. To understand reflective teaching, I think that it's important because it allows you to be able to teach and then look back at the things that you've done and to think about what you could do better, what you could have done differently. It doesn't necessarily mean anything negatively. I just think it's good to think back because you always, or at least myself, I always think about what I could have done. I always, even just in a simple conversation, I can think of if I had a simple argument with someone, I could not say anything, and then later on, I can think back about what happened, how I handled it, and wish I would have done something differently. I think that I need to take more time in my planning time at school to do more reflective teaching or learning because I have plenty of time to be able to do it. And being only in my second year, I think I still have a lot to look back and reevaluate the things that I have done and help improve the lessons for the kids.